Why can't I withdraw my crypto from Gemini? Have you ever tried to withdraw your crypto from Gemini and gotten an error message? If so, you're not alone. Many users have reported having trouble withdrawing their crypto from Gemini. In this video, I'll explain why you might be having trouble withdrawing your crypto from Gemini and what you can do about it. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It's a popular exchange, but it's not without its problems. One of the most common problems that users report is having trouble withdrawing their crypto. There are a number of reasons why you might be having trouble withdrawing your crypto from Gemini. Some of the most common reasons include: your account is under review. Gemini may be reviewing your account for security reasons. This can happen if you have made a large withdrawal or if you have engaged in suspicious activity. You have not verified your identity. Gemini requires you to verify your identity before you can withdraw your crypto. This is to prevent fraud. There is a technical issue with Gemini. Gemini may be experiencing technical difficulties that are preventing you from withdrawing your crypto. You have violated Gemini's terms of service. If you have violated Gemini's terms of service, you may not be able to withdraw your crypto. What to do if you can't withdraw your crypto from Gemini? If you are having trouble withdrawing your crypto from Gemini, there are a few things you can do. Contact Gemini support. You can contact Gemini support by email or phone. They may be able to help you resolve the issue. Check your account status. Make sure that your account is not under review and that you have verified your identity. Wait for the technical issue to be resolved. If there is a technical issue with Gemini, you will need to wait for it to be resolved before you can withdraw your crypto. File a complaint with the SEC. If you believe that Gemini is violating the law, you can file a complaint with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). If you are having trouble withdrawing your crypto from Gemini, don't panic. There are a number of reasons why this might be happening, and there are things you can do to resolve the issue. If you are having trouble withdrawing your crypto from Gemini, I encourage you to contact Gemini support. They may be able to help you resolve the issue. Thanks for watching. Be patient. It may take some time for Gemini to resolve your issue. Be polite. When you contact Gemini support, be polite and respectful. Document everything. Keep track of all of your interactions with Gemini support. This will be helpful if you need to file a complaint with the SEC. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.